where we now are with the blockchain is that we've got the ability to develop really interesting applications using blockchain technology. So, for example, anybody can now write what's called a smart contract. And a smart contract allows automatic execution of particular things based on events occurring. So a real world example is this. If you want to buy something online from, say, another country, and you don't necessarily trust the other person to deliver the goods, because you've never met them, you don't know what they're like, you don't know if the goods are going to be any good, that sort of thing. What you can do is develop a smart contract very, very quickly and very easily. And by quickly, I mean in minutes. And as the applications evolve, you'll be able to have bespoke smart contracts that are built for you. You just click a few buttons. And effectively what this could do is develop a contractual agreement between you that executes things like payment only on receipt of goods in a certain time frame, in a certain condition, and in a way that can be verified by both sides, so that both sides know that they're not being ripped off by somebody trying to pull a fast one. So for example, if you're a video producer and you create a video for someone and you want to make sure that they're going to pay you for your time, and they want to make sure that you're going to deliver them what it is that they want, you can agree the terms in a smart contract up front. And what can happen is that the person that's going to buy the video pays the money in cryptocurrency first. It gets held by the smart contract. The video producer then has to deliver the goods. So they have to deliver what the client actually wanted. You can even write elements into the smart contract for amendments and little bits here and there, so that everybody knows that a certain part of the work has been completed to the satisfaction of both parties. Now, this isn't something that's done in a tunnel where nobody else can observe it. Anybody else can see that this transaction is valid. It's like basically saying to the world, hey, we've agreed to do this thing between us, and everybody's seen it, you're all witnesses, right? And that's effectively what the blockchain will allow you to do through a smart contract. It means that if somebody reneges on their end, that some or all of the monies can be returned, that you can absolutely have a way of sorting out any issues and perhaps even penalising somebody for delivering late on a deadline, for example. It makes things so much easier. It means things can't get lost. It means that everything can be verified in a way that means I don't have to trust the person that I'm working with, because if they want to get paid, if they want to get their end of the bargain met, they have to do what the smart contract says, and they cannot change the smart contract once it's deployed. Everybody has to agree, and nobody can surreptitiously change a few words here and there. And that's the really interesting part that will take away the need for a lot of litigation in courts and things like that. It will also get rid of the need for having very expensive lawyers drafting very, very, very big contracts that effectively nobody understands.